friends, and welcome to my channel. This is Grace, and I'm sorry, I have one finger that doesn't have a pretty finger or nice manicure. Sorry about that. It came off. My daughter is into polygel nails right now, and she was using me as kind of like a sample, or she was testing it on me, but I'm not very good with like fancy nails, so it came out. So sorry, but that's what it is. Okay, that was a segue for this, such a segue for this video. So I alluded to this in my For the Love of Crafting and Sharing video in the month of April. And I kind of showed you a sneak peek of my latest storage for scraps. And so I'm going to share a little bit more detail about that in this video. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this little cardboard. This one is We Are Memory Keepers. These are photo sleeves. And as you can see, it shows that there's, it shows that there's one 6x12 and then three 4x6 inserts in there. And I just got this at Tuesday, no, not Tuesday morning. I got it at Goodwill. I got the whole pack, which is 10 packs of it, or 10 sheets in a pack, sorry. And I got it for like $2. And initially I was kind of wanting to do that for like a kind of a Project Life type of project, but I ended up not doing anything with it. So I held on to it for a long time, and then finally decided that maybe this will work for my new pattern paper storage solution. And so I'm going to show it to you right now. So what I did was I grabbed the sleeves and I separated all of my pattern papers. I have one that's kind of white, multicolored. I have one that's brown, and then orange. So you can see I don't have much orange there. I have black. I have pink. Whoops. I have purple. I have red, yellow, blue, and green. So the thing that I liked about this kind of storage is that it has some sleeves so I can separate it. Initially, what I had thought was that I can put like the littlest pieces of papers onto these 4x6 inserts, and then they will stay there so I can see them better. And then the longer ones, the strips or whatever, will be on these 6x12. The problem that I've had, and I've had this for, I would say, I've had this system for maybe 2 months now, is that I have to store them like so, like this, so that these papers won't fall apart. And also because if I do it sideways like this, or I guess not sideways, but how it's intentionally are like so, is that it wouldn't fit in my little envelope. So I had to go sideways like this. And the problem that I have is that these little pieces of paper that I had put in these sheet protectors, they're actually falling into the back side of the sheet protector. Like this one, I've already pulled them out. I don't know if this one has them. Like these little ones, they're falling in the back. And so that was the only bummer thing that I found in the system, but I love this. The reason why, first, is because it's clear. I'm the kind of person that if I don't see it, I forget it. And so I like that I can clearly, not clearly, but I can see my pattern papers better with this one. What I did prior to this was I just had my pattern papers in an envelope, just like what I had with my sketches. I don't know if you watched my sketch book organization like a few months ago, but I just had all of my pattern paper scraps onto a folder like this, and they're all in there. So whether it's small or big, they're all in there, and that's fine because you know you can rummage through it and whatnot. But I keep on forgetting little bits and pieces, and so this one was good. And another thing that I like about this storage system is that I was able to sort them by color. So if I am scrapbooking and I'm thinking, okay, I need something orange in this particular layout, I will just pull out my orange sheet protector and they're all there. Like I don't have to rummage through a thick folder in order for me to just find one orange piece. And another thing that I love about this is that because of the size, the 12 by 12 size, you know that it fits 12 by 12 paper, whether it's these big pieces or whether it's like a strip like this. So I have a lot of, I'm going to show you here. I have a lot of like strips, the barcode strips that people save. I save them too. So I just put them there and they're fine. Like they're there, they stay there and they're good. Now, the only thing that I have to say with this kind of system is because it is loose. That's why I decided to get one of my old envelopes here, and I chose a fairly clear one as well, just so I can see in there. And so I just put them all in here. Another thing that I did to further organize this was I just grabbed some washi and I put like I color coded them with the corresponding washi. So this one has a white one, this one has a blue one right here, this one has a brown one, so that when they're all in my envelope, like so, they're in my envelope like this, and I'm pulling and I say, you know, I want some brown paper. All I just need to do is pull this particular sheet out for my brown, because you know they're color coded in the same area, so I can just pull that out and I can pull out the things that I need. And so far, again, I've only had the system for about a couple of months, but so far I am loving it. And another thing that I love about this, it's so easy to sort back my scraps into this, although you have to kind of take some time to, you know, sort them out by color, but it's just, you just slip them in there. All you do is slip them in there. When you have stuff, you just slip them, and when you need things, you just take them out. So that is my storage solution for my scraps that's working for me right now. Just to add though, that I do have some papers that maybe I've only grabbed one little piece of it, or you know, they're still fairly big that you can still see. I actually kept them on the folder, and they just go in the back of this envelope right here. So this folder is on the back, and then all of the rest of the sheet protectors are in the front. And I just like to, you know, because they're fairly big pieces still, so I just rummage through them. And then when they get a little bit smaller, like maybe this size, then I put them in the sheet protector. So again, that is my storage solution right now. I'm going to make sure that I link the sheet protector. If I find them on Amazon, I will make sure to link that in the description box below. And if you have any questions, make sure that you leave in the comment section below. If you like these videos, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. This year particularly, I am trying to put up a video of an organizational method or idea that I've been trying in my scrapbook room, and once a month. And so if you like those kinds of videos, make sure that you check my playlist, because I do have a playlist for my organizational ideas. And I will catch you guys another day. Bye.